Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our news and thanks to join to us. This is Aklima Sultana. I knowing to use main headlines all over in Bangladesh. Now I continue reading to the headlines. Dengue is going to be down again coronavirus. 5 Jamaat to be held Baitul Mukarram for Eid al-Adha. Tortured homemade women couple arrested in remand. Purposes cow of Eid al-Adha by online. 6 killed in Rangpur, 2 killed and 6 injuries in Joshua Road accident, 4 killed in Washington DC shooting, 180 more die in COVID-19 and 15 symptoms. Bangladesh received 20 lakh symptoms today. Global COVID-19 death toll to 104.0099 million score. BFF decided to appoint a professional manager. Specific collection for roadmap. Trading sacrificial animals in city. Pakistan to play against England. Government and industrial sectors closed. Governments and industrial sectors closed will be remain. More jam in Bangladesh and in Banglabazar and Shimulia. Dhaka Boundaries Index in hits a historic of high. 225 COVID-19 death, 11,578 cases recorded in 24 hours. Defamation lawsuit of Taka 50 crores filed against Musharraf Kori. Tiger lawless Tamil and Little in cases of Zimbabwe. DGAC concerned about violation of health safety rules of cattle markets. Lawyer husband remanded over torturing 12 years old house help in Dhaka. A negative sum gain in the energy sector. Shortage versions of SSC HSC exam likely in November December. 5 killed as a 2 hours is as a class in Rangpur. Destination Rafiqul Amin Health Zoom meeting from prison cell. Gov's failure to deal with the pandemic cost society of early students. Strict lockdown deserts roads highways. Country sees records 143 COVID-19 death, 8301 new cases. Due turns 100 the life and times of a premier institution. 2 killed in Chokbazar transformer blast. China is trusted partner in our socio-economic development. PM. BSS, Awami League President and Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina on Thursday greeted in Chinese people President is Xi Jinping. A COVID patient is being taken to Rajshahi Medical College Hospital by a rickshaw van or Thursday empty ambulance crisis. 497 detained for breathing restriction. Police detained 497 people and arrested 258 from different areas of the capital till 5 p.m. on Thursday. Vaccination begins with Sinopharm Pfizer jabs. 134 deaths as received breaking had web graphs in Canada. More than 100 deaths in coronavirus and recovery area are likely to be gradually had with authorized said. 244 RMG factories our Taka 43 crore gas bill claims Titash. Another 2 million doses of China's Sinopharm vaccine arrived. Global COVID cases approach 190 million. 20-kilometer traffic jam on Dhaka-Tangal highway. Vaccination to garment works begins in Gazipur. 70 more died RMCH COVID-19 5th anniversary of Holy arrestation attack observed militant. The coronavirus in the cities a Karan Bajar during lockdown without maintaining health guidelines. Trips a transition period for LDCS and extended by 13 years. RGB members strategized with a view of making a lockdown a success. UGC to make a database to store research data. University Grants Commission UGC has decided to make a database to sort the information of researchers. Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina grants a through video message on Thursday marking the founding of Centenary of the Chinese Communist Party. Thanks to join to us no more today. Khuda Hafiz.